Hello and welcome to the John Ark Show. Today's episode is called Lab Grown Gold. Before we begin, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel for free. You can also like, comment, and follow us. We're going to have a lot of great celebrity interviews coming up, so make sure to click on that notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new episode. Also, we ask that you post a link to our show on all your social media to help spread the word. Now, let's get started. Everybody is talking about all these countries around the world who are competing to try and dominate America in the race for economic power. They're talking about competition in the computer chip space, competition in the weapons building industry, competition with America in the academic sector, competing with the U.S. in the economic world, competing on a cultural level. They even talk about competing with us on science and technology on a daily basis. It's truly amazing to watch. But do you know what they're all refusing to talk about? The economic importance of physical gold to the economy of each country. Many of the major and mid-level countries out there are purchasing record amounts of gold because they believe the near-term future of their economies will depend on owning as much gold as possible. Many smaller countries are also doing whatever they can to bolster their gold reserves in preparation for what they believe is coming. But there is a topic out there that very few people or countries are discussing in the open. Nobody in the media is discussing it. It's a secret that nobody on mainstream dinosaur media even wants to discuss out in the open. They'll talk about it off camera. They'll talk about it with each other. They'll speculate and hypothesize, but they're scared to death of discussing it openly. So we're going to tell you about this topic simply because we feel everyone should be informed. What is it? It's lab-grown gold. Everyone has heard of lab-grown diamonds and how they are being grown around the world and sold at prices far below the cost of real or authentic diamonds. But now there are rumors about various countries trying very hard to develop lab-manufactured gold. So why is this a big deal? Why is everyone so fascinated by the possibility that something called lab-manufactured gold may soon become a reality? Would that be a good thing? No, it would not. We believe it would be a terrible thing. Why? Because right now, billions of people out there believe that the only real measure of authentic wealth is physical gold ownership. These people don't believe in paper investments like stocks or bonds or those sorts of things. A lot of them think that that is absolutely fraud. They don't believe in crypto or Bitcoin or any such digital assets that didn't even exist 5 minutes ago. And now they're seeing assets like commercial real estate collapsing in value. They're seeing single and multi-family homes lose value and seeing their prices trending downwards. But up until recently, they could always count on the investment of their wealth into good old physical gold, authentic gold. They believe its value would last forever because of its inherent limited abundance. Everybody knows how difficult it is to find and mine and produce real gold. It's extremely hard. Just look at some of the reality shows on TV and see what a difficult, challenging occupation it is. That's why so many countries are contemplating linking their actual currency or their planned new digital currency to the gold they own. But what if one or several other countries were able to develop a secret new way to create or manufacture endless amounts of actual gold in the laboratory? What if one of those countries were to then bolster their physical gold supply to tremendous new levels and then use that manufactured gold to purchase whatever they wanted or needed around the world? Would such a country gain a significant economic or competitive advantage? Of course they would. Would doing this drive down the price of gold around the world? Yes, but only if the rest of the world knew what was going on. As long as everyone else in the gold market doesn't know what's going on, then Even if the gold market is flooded with new lab-grown gold, it won't affect the price very much. But if the secret got out and everybody found out that they were flooding the market with manufactured gold, then the price of gold would begin to drop dramatically. And if that begins to happen, then the gold market and all of those currencies and investments out there that are linked to real gold will start collapsing in price as well. So do you see the problem here? In order to keep the price of real gold propped up around the world, it would be very important to keep the hypothetical secret of lab-grown gold a continuing secret. So here are some questions we suspect you might be thinking. Is lab-grown gold distinguishable from real gold? Can it be tested to find out? Nobody has yet publicly revealed or confirmed the existence of lab-grown gold, so nobody knows the answer to that question. Nobody is willing to go on the record to confirm it publicly. If the price of gold begins to descend, is that a sign that lab-grown gold is being dumped onto the market? Well, that's too complicated of a question to ask, and there is no answer to that as of yet. But hypothetically speaking, then this could literally change everything in the markets and in the worldwide economy. Do you think that if people lost faith in gold, then this would cause them to exit many of their other investments? Absolutely. There would be a stampede for the market exits because so many investments and commodities are linked to real gold that it would definitely affect their prices. What should investors do about this possible new threat to their portfolios, if it really exists? We don't give investment advice, and no one has publicly admitted that lab-grown gold is real. But if it turns out to be real, then it will release a hurricane of market activity as gold owners scour the earth for something else that they believe is more secure. And that is going to cause a lot of problems out there because there aren't many investments out there that could compete with the safety of gold. All we can say is keep watching and listening, because even if it did exist, they probably wouldn't confirm its existence publicly. The best you can probably hope for are signs of its existence. And if you see those signs, then you may wish to reconsider all your investment priorities and criteria and plans before it is too late. Thank you for watching. I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel for free. You can also like, comment, and follow us. We're going to have a lot of great celebrity interviews coming up, so make sure to click on that notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new episode. Also, we ask that you post a link to today's show on all your social media to help get the word out. Thank you, and we shall talk to you soon. Bye-bye.